In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us, each one of us, we need to understand one thing which is the most basic, one thing which must be learnt, which must be understood first and foremost. If at all we are told this thing, if at all we are taught this thing, if at all this thing goes right into our conscious mind and right into our subconscious mind, I think so it will make a huge difference. Not only it will make a huge difference, rather it will play a decisive role. It will play a decisive role whether our life is going to become a good one, whether our life is going to become a bad one. It will play a very decisive role. At the moment, actually, the very basic thing, the most basic thing, the most basic thing, I think it has been fed wrong into our conscious mind, into our subconscious mind. The very first thing, we don't know actually, we don't understand it actually, we did not try to benefit actually. That is why overwhelming are majority of the people living in the world, majority of the people living in our society. These people are dissatisfied, these people are unhappy, and these people are unable to live their life at the fullest. What is this most basic and the most basic thing? Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan, I shall like to recall a sentence or two from the very famous Discovery Channel program Man vs Wild, in which the only character, the only visible character, the only character on the screen, protagonist says, the word is neither bad nor it is good. Either we are going to make it good or we are going to make it bad. The life is neither good nor bad. We can make it either good or bad. It depends upon we ourselves and no one else. If at all there are people, and there are a large number of people who are of the view that the world is not a good place, that the world is not a good place, that the people are not good, that the society is not good. As a matter of fact, they are right, rather, they are very right. Why? Because it is their experience. Because they have succeeded in making the world as a bad one, the life as a bad one, the society and the country as a bad one. They can only succeed by proving that the world is bad, that the country is bad, that the society and the life is bad. They can only succeed by proving this thing. If at all they disprove it, they will consider themselves, they will they will opine about themselves that I am a failure. Why? Because my point was not proven. On the other hand, there are people who are found saying that the world is a good place, that the society, the country is a good place, that the life is good one. These people are right as well. Although the two of these types of people are absolutely opposing each other, and they are at the loggerheads, they are poles apart, yet both of them are right, because this is their own experience. If at all somebody says that the life is bad, that the world is bad, that the country is bad, she is very right actually. Vice versa, if somebody says that the world is a good place, that the country and the society is a good place, that the life is a good one, he or she is also right, because it is their experience and they have made it a good one actually. That is how it goes. We need to understand overwhelming number of the people in the world needs to understand that the life is a good place, that the life is a good one, that the life, the world, The country, the society, the life, these things are neither good nor bad. We can either make them good or we can make them bad one as well. It depends upon us actually and no one else. It depends upon us actually and no one else. It is as simple as this one. No complication at all. I think so. All of us will like to make this word. All of us will like to make this country and society. All of us will like to make our life as a good one and not a bad one. So the first thing is, the first thing, the basic thing, the very basic thing, rather the most basic thing is that we need to presume, we need to assume that the word is a good one, that the word is a good one, that the country and the society is a good one, that the life is a good one, my life is a good one. And simply we need to presume this thing on the one hand. We need to become very positive on the other hand. We need to become practical. We need to become practical, and we need to become practical on the other hand. The more positive and the more practical we are, the better results we are going to produce actually. And if at all unfortunately we are unable to become a positive and a practical human being, all what is going to happen is that we are going to become negative, and the world is going to become a bad place for us, that the country and the societies are going to become a bad place for us, that our life is going to become a bad one. Why? Because we can succeed only in failing. We need to understand that this is neither good nor bad, and it is we actually who are going to make it as a good one and not a bad one. And we do have to make it a good one. Let's make a determination, let's make a commitment that from now onward, inshallah, we shall like to make it a good one. I shall be doing my utmost, I shall doing my level best effort to make it a good one, and I believe that I shall succeed in making it a good one, because I am a very positive on the one hand and a very practical person on the other hand. This is something very basic, and the most basic actually we need to understand, and we need to accept it from the very depth and the mind of our heart. And if at all we do that, what is going to happen then? Then our direction will change, and we will put ourselves on the right path, and the destination will change as well. Once the direction has been changed, the destination will change as well. Why? Because we have decided to change it, because we have made it a commitment to change it, because we are on the way to changing it, to improving it, to make it a happy place, to make it a happy life and a happy world and a happy society and the happy people. Thank you.